Hi everyone and welcome to the video. In this one we're taking a look at the Pilot Air Textile Jacket. Here at RST we have a philosophy. We want to deliver protection to the masses. We believe that every single motorcyclist deserves the same level of protection, no matter what their budgets. And for over 30 years, we've been producing garments to do just that. We want every single garment that we produce to offer you fantastic performance and absolute protection. And that's exactly what the Pilot Air does in a fantastic value for money package. The Pilot Air has been designed as a fantastic summer riding garment with the ability to flow lots and lots of air, but importantly still protect you and also keep you waterproof in the event of a shower. It's got a sporty edge, a great look, and it's a fantastically versatile garment, usable on a wide range of bikes. The Pilot Air is rated to CE or CA rating of level A, and included in the jacket is both CE level 1 shoulder and elbow armour as standard. Of course, being a product from RST, you also get a pocket for a back protector. So if you wish to upgrade the jacket, you absolutely can do. The protective element of this garment is made up from two major components. I'm sure you can probably see the extensive use of our K300 mesh. The K300 mesh flows huge amounts of air, but also it protects you from an accident. To help support the K300, we use our MaxTex material for both the frame and also the key crash areas. MaxTex is our exclusive to RST 600 denier polyester and is a fantastic material for protecting you. And not only that, but this is also a waterproof garment from RST. The Pilot Air features a removable Synaqua waterproof liner. The Synaqua is rated to 10,000 5,000 waterproof to breathability rating and is a fantastic waterproof liner. We've been working with Synaqua for over 10 years. It's removable from the inside of the garment so you can take full advantage of the mesh material, and in those summer hot months you can flow as much air as you need to through this garment. There's lots of ergonomics on the Pilot Air. You can see the bicep adjusters made in this Prested system. These ensure that there's no flapping material, as well as helping keep the elbow armour in place. The Velcro hip adjusters will help give you the fitment that you need, and the Velcro cuff adjusters will make the jacket usable with whichever type of glove you like, whether they're inside or outside of the jacket. There's a lovely bit of comfort in the collar as well. This rolled neoprene is supremely comfortable. It's a great feature at a key contact area your body has with the jacket. And there's two zip closure pockets for your personal belongings or for your hands if you're walking around away from your bike. Here's the back of the jacket and you can see the extensive use of that K300 mesh. The Pilot Air is a fantastic jacket for those summer riding months because of all this K300. But here you can see that MaxTex frame offering you the reinforced protection that you require. As we move to the inside of the jacket, you can see that removable Synaqua waterproof membrane. It has its own closure zip to really seal you and protect you from the weather. And here's the inside of the jacket. The Synaqua liner is elasticated around the waist and around the cuff, and this is to help seal out the weather when you're wearing the jacket with the liner in. It's really easy to remove the waterproof liner from this garment. There's a zip on each side of the body, as well as a press stud at the collar. Then there's a zip at each of the cuffs. Here's the waterproof liner removed from the Pilot. And here you can see it packs down really small. It would be quite easy for me to get that in a backpack, a bike pannier, or even under the seat of my bike. Here is the inside of the Pilot Air. And it's unbelievable how lightweight this jacket is. This is the ever important pocket for a back protector. And here at RST, we produce both a CE level 1 and a CE level 2 approved back protector that fit straight into this pocket. The internal liner of the Pilot Air has been fitted with a stuff pocket and a zip pocket. And this comfort liner is made from Airtex. It's really comfortable and it features a quick dry treatment to wick the sweat away from your body. We do of course give you the ability to zip the Pilot Air to your favorite pair of RST jeans that also feature a connection zip. Here it is, the 360 universal connection zip. Remember, it's 360, it runs all the way around the body for your best protection. The Pilot Air is a fantastic choice for anyone who wants a nice, airy summer jacket with lots of protection and the addition of that waterproof liner to make this jacket as versatile as possible. The Pilot Air is ideal no matter what style of bike you're riding. It's lightweight, it's comfortable, and of course, it's protective, built to that RST philosophy. Protection for the masses. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.